Hey guys! Today we are going to be doing one of my favorite exercises. I like to call it Finding Your Island, although in official lingo it would really be called Safe Calm Place. The idea is to visualize for yourself somewhere very lovely, somewhere where you feel safe and calm, and to kind of have this in the back of your head always, this sort of literal place that you can imagine, somewhere that you feel like you can retreat to, a haven for yourself when you need it. So we're going to walk you through this exercise. What you'll do, I know it's goofy since you're watching a YouTube video, but go ahead and close your eyes if that's comfortable and just listen. So start by taking a few deep breaths. Just taking your time here, exhaling completely, filling your lungs completely, feeling your body kind of settle in. And now I would like you to imagine a beautiful island. And the special thing about this island is that it is all yours. Your special, private little place. Nobody else even knows about it. And go ahead and imagine doing a 360, slowly, turning around and just noticing all the sights. Letting your eyes feast on the colors, the blues of the ocean and the sky, the vivid greens of the vegetation. Notice the color of the sand beneath your toes. And now I'd like you to fill in the sounds there. Notice the crash of the waves, the sound of the breeze, maybe the sound of birds. And now go ahead and let your imagination fill in the physical sensations. Imagine crunching your toes in the sand, feeling the warmth of the sun, perhaps a soft breeze on your arms. And now go ahead and imagine yourself taking a little walkabout, noticing the sensation in each foot as you walk. Imagining letting yourself explore this place. Perhaps it's a large island with a mountain. Maybe there's a waterfall. You can go ahead and fill in the details and have fun. This is your island. And go ahead now and imagine yourself settling into a comfortable spot. Maybe you're on a flat rock next to a waterfall. Maybe you've climbed to the top of a peak and you're looking out over everything. But settle yourself there. And now really start to tune in to the emotions that you're feeling. A sense of calm, probably. Of safety, security, peace. And notice now in your physical body, right here, right now, what are the sensations? What are the sensations in your chest and in your stomach? In this place of peace and security, how does it feel in your body? Hold that image, notice those sensations for just a few more moments, continuing to breathe. Trying to make almost a roadmap in your mind. How to find this again, the physical sensations, the emotions. Perhaps you'd like to give a name to this place, or a name to this feeling. Something to help you more easily recall it. And to end, before you open your eyes and before you leave your island, imagine yourself opening your eyes, going back out into the world. It's a stressful, busy place out there, so at some point you're going to lose this feeling of calm centeredness. But imagine yourself in that moment in the future. Imagine yourself remembering. Remember your island, and suddenly bring yourself back and find this sense of calm again. Because that's going to be your challenge now. You will have to go back out into the world. But can you catch yourself? Can you remember? Can you come back to your island over and over and over again? The more you practice, the quicker it'll happen. And if you do this practice, it can really make such a difference in your quality of life. The dramas of the world out there no longer seem quite so overwhelming because we have this place now. This sense of peace, having the ground underneath us that we can come back to no matter what happens out there. Your island is always there. So guys, thanks for doing that exercise with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Spend some time on your island for me and tune in next time.